Guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Now guys, I have for you this everyday simple glam makeup look. Alright, so the look that I did last week was a totally glam look, the inspired look. Oh my god, I worked on the road and everybody was like, oh, I love your eyeshadow, blah blah, who did it, blah 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 blah, but it was super bright. Alright, but this week we're doing the opposite. This is a toned down version. Not even toned down version. This is just a simple everyday classic look. You can wear it to work, church, school, wherever, and it just looks nice. Alright, so the eyeshadow look was very simple. I didn't do anything technical, so no wing eyeliner, no lashes. It's just simple. And if you want, guess what, just scrap the eyeshadow and just put on the face part of it, and yeah, you're out the door. So that's it, you guys. Hopefully you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification, and come back and watch the video them. Alright, as a matter of fact, just click on my channel and just go through all the videos that you didn't watch and just give me a day, please. Just give me a day. Alright, so guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for us hitting 2K. Hopefully we can go further and further and further and further, quicker and quicker and quicker. But yeah, I'm glad that you guys decided to, you know, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Alright guys, so let's get on to the video.
Now listen what them a say, them a say. Them why hear say me feel, but that them not hear no this.
Alright guys, so this is going to be a simple everyday neutral glam, like quick. I don't even want to do a whole lot. I want to see how quickly it will take me. I did my brows already. I had another video idea, but I'm changing it. This is going to be a quick makeup tutorial, including eyeshadows. So we're going to do everything. I'm going to start off with my face first, because that part is most important, if you guys get what I mean, because you can always leave your eyes if you don't get to the eyeshadow. But I'm starting off using my Maybelline Master Prime. I haven't used this primer in a while. I missed you Maybelline. But yeah guys, so we're doing a quick everyday look, and I just want to do this because the truth is I don't wear makeup every day, one, and two, when I do wear makeup, it's not going to be like a colorful glam as if I'm going to like a party. It's just going to be like a simple neutral look, and I think that's what most of us would wear. Last week when I did that inspired eyeshadow look, I wore it out on the road. It was a Saturday morning and people were just staring at me. I mean, people were complimenting me, but at the same time people were just staring, and I'm like, I know it's just bright and bold and everything. So I really wanted to do this look. I hope my lace not showing too much, you know, but yeah, I really wanted to do this neutral look because that's what most of us would wear. Alright, so the face is primed. I'm going to take my foundation. This is my everyday foundation. This is the Revlon Color Stay in the shade 440 Mahogany. So yeah, I'm going to dot it all over my face first, and then I'm going to blend it in with my sponge. So the foundation is on my entire face. Then I'm then going to apply my concealer, and again I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut, sorry. I had actually packed my LA Girl concealers, guys. I missed it so much. So much. Now I'm remembering why I loved it. I was using my LA Girl I was using my ColourPop concealers in the meanwhile, and also my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So that's what I was using. But I missed LA Girl. I missed you, LA Girl. Alright, so let's blend this out. I think I've been doing this for a good 5 minutes now. So the concealer is blended. Then I'm going to contour. No, I'm going to set first because I really don't want under my eyes to crease. I'm using the Tasha Buttercup and I'm setting under my eyes lightly with a brush first. Then I'm going to bake, not really bake, but just put some powder in the areas that I get oily, and I'm not putting it directly under my eyes just because under my eyes get really dry. You know, like sometimes when you have on your concealer further on in the day, you see right here is oily and then right on directly under here is dry. So I'm baking the part that gets really oily, which is on this high part right here. And I'm not taking that excess powder directly under my eye. Next we're going to move on to the eyes. Guys, this is going so quickly. I'm so proud. I am literally so proud. Alright, so we're taking everything from the Saharan blush palette. I'm taking these 3 shades and probably this one to create a look. So first I'm going to start off with this one as my transitional shade. Ooh, this is so pigmented. Look at all that, guys. Look at all this pigment on my hand. Juvia's Place, you're playing, you're not playing. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this. Ooh, this is so bright. This is so bright, you guys, and it's supposed to be an everyday look. But yeah, let's continue. So this is our transitional shade. I'm then going to deepen up the crease using this shade right here, and this is Abby, the darkest shade, and I'm just going to put that in the outer V and into my crease. Go Abby, go Abby. Guys, this is so pigmented, and this is a blush palette. Can you believe that? Alright, going back with this big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges of that. I could wear this every day. I could. Alright guys, so that's that. I'm then going to take Lila, and it's this rose goldish shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my lid. And guys, this is just like a very classic look. Very classic look. And I actually don't want this lid color to be too pigmented or too bright. I just want it to be very subtle. So that's what we're working with. I'm going to go back in with this brush and just blend out the edges of the gold shade, and that's the eyeshadow look. Alrighty. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to do is to apply lashes. Should I mean, you don't have to, you can just do mascara and that's it. But honestly you guys, I want to put on lashes. Like, lashes are very important to me, so I'm going to show you guys the look with the mascara only. And guys, this mascara is everything, so get it. It's the Lash Princess mascara. I think I mentioned it in my March faves. Guys, it's everything. Right, let's do the bottom. Ooh, I'm going to run a bit of color on my bottom lash line. I really want to. So I'm going to take the darkest color again, and that's Abby, this one right here, and just run it along my lower lash line. Alright, so then I'm going to line my lower lash line. This is important to you guys. I'm lining my eyes using this LA Girl pencil. And I'm going to apply my lashes and apply some mascara to my lower lash line. Let's see what we're working with. Yes. The lashes are very optional. You know what? I don't think I'm going to put on any lash, just because on an everyday I don't think we have time for it. The last thing I'm going to do is to contour and put on my lip paint, which more than likely is a gloss, right? Alright, so I'm using this dark contour shade right here. It's from LA Girl and it's their Pro Contour Powder, and I have it in the shade Deep, and I think this is the darkest shade. So I'm going to use it and contour. And guys, this contour shade is pretty dark. I love it. Ooh, blend. Oh, and it blends out nicely as well. Alright, so now I'm going to dust off the excess powder, like push it into my skin and brush it off at the same time. Alright you guys, alright. Alright, so now I'm going to what am I gonna do? Oh, apply mascara to my bottom lash line. I think I want to put some highlighter on quickly using the Sahara. Oh my god, guys, get this palette. Do you guys see how many things I use this palette for? I'm going to take the same color I put on my lid as my highlighter, but I'm going to highlight very lightly because if it's work you're going, you don't want it to look too, you know, obvious. You need to be professional. My brush is shedding. Guys, my camera cut off and I don't know where it stopped, but I use Lila from the Saharan blush palette. Guys, if you guys don't have this, get this palette. You guys see how many things I'm using it for? And I'm just going to place some highlights in my inner corner. And I did highlight my nose, a bit on my cheek because I don't want it to be overwhelming. on my Cupid's bow, and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna apply our lippy. The lip color I'm going to use today is my everyday lip. Let's not even go around the thing. I'll know ColourPop's Pitch and a Glass. That's what I do all the time. This is my NYX Butter Gloss in Angel's Food Cake. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Hopefully you guys like it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you do. Any comments or any message that you want to send me, just leave your comments down below and send me messages on here or on Instagram. I will reply. If you have any video recommendations, suggestions, whatever, leave them in the comment section also. And yeah, until next time, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Now worry about none of them. Now worry about none of them. Why worry when God a work? If 1 minute but everything I work, still I work.